to shower, to pray, and have a clean space. Wow. Thank you, God. More of this. If we want to do something good in this world, if we want to create a peaceful life, good health, want to accomplish our dreams, if we want to do all these things, we have to do this one thing, which is having a solid connection with God. You gotta, your connection with the higher power should be the foundation of your life. You should be so connected with God at all times. I cannot, emphasize on this enough. Yes, God is with you all the time, that higher power. You do not have to do anything for it. At the same time, you gotta set aside time, set aside the confidence, the creative ideas, the resilience. Everything comes from God. The inspirations, it all comes from God. Do not seek anything else. Seek God. Seek higher power. If you do not like the word God, it's okay. Any name, as soul, nature, whatever you want to call it, you gotta build your strong connection with it, because wow, the magic is in that connection, your connection with higher power. I never thought that I would be this girl speaking my mind, sharing my truth. I never had the courage that I could be honest. For some reason, the way I grew up, I have to always hide parts of me. I thought either I would be insulted for it, shamed for it, or if I, shared my creativity and inspirations with others, they will say something, do something that will kill my spirit. So I was just protecting myself, but God made me resilient, gave me the bravery to share myself with the world, and gave me that bulletproof confidence, that even if someone does something, I know I'm not nothing will kill my creativity, because it is coming from God itself. My inspirations and me, because I am the embodiment of God. So nothing can destroy me. Yeah, wow, this is such a powerful channel message. I was not prepared for it. I wore this dress because today God inspired me in the morning. When I was eating my watermelon, and I went to throw away the leftovers in a garden next to my home. I was throwing it and I saw a white butterfly. It just stood out for me, and then when I was chanting mantra, I received a vision of wearing white and silver. So here it is. I have a course, Step Into Your Magic. Link of it is in the bio. The energy of this course, oh my God, wonderful. You cannot miss it. You can also book a one-on-one session with me, intuitive guidance. I would love to support